In this tutorial you will learn how to create, export and delete a deformer template, and how to import the deformer template back and use it, and how to update the deformer template. All these functions are available in the Deform 3D tool, or Character Converter tool, or Cloth Converter tool. In this example we will show these functions in the Deform 3D tool. First, let's show how to create a deformer template. When we create a deformer template, we must have two models available. One model is a target model, like this one. Another is a source model, like this one. The source model must consist of 1. Isolated mesh, and the target model, which can consist of more than 1 meshes. Although in this example, this model consists of only one mesh, it can consist of more than 1 meshes, and these meshes do not need to be isolated, so they can be any meshes. Then the source mesh has been perfectly matched to this one. Normally we use the point and face matching method to achieve this. So after this source mesh has been perfectly matched to this one, then we can create a deformer template. Let's click this button. Then click this one. Create, then click Yes. Use the default setting. Now you are notified that new template 0 has been created. You may rename it for your convenience. So let's rename it. Because this is a Marvola design female character, we name it MD Female. We can also export it to a file. To export it to a file, click this button. This export. Click this button, then let's go to the folder. You can rename the file if you want. Now let's delete it. To delete this template, you can click this button, Delete. Now it's deleted. Let's click Finish. Now let's show how to import the deformer template back and use it. To import it back, let's click this button. Import, go to the file. We have just exported. Now it is imported using the file name as its name. Now let's show how to use it. First, let's finish this one. Then match a source mesh to this model. To use it on a source mesh, the source mesh must have the same mesh topology. With this one, let's change shading to wireframe. And let's click this one. And click this to check its content. You see the number of points, number of triangles, number of quadrilaterals, which are the basic topology properties for each mesh. The source mesh can be in any shape, but its basic topology properties must be the same. Let's clear this one and load a new mesh. Its shape is different from the target. Let's check its mesh topology and find it has the mesh topology with the previously cleared one. Therefore, we can use the Deformer template to fastly match it to this target mesh. To do it, let's click this button. Now get a warning. Let's merge it first. Then click this one again. Then click this button. Then let's use this Deformer template just imported. Click Apply. Now it's perfectly matched to the target model. Click Finish now. Let's change this one to wireframe. And let's check the matching. Sometimes we may need to update a template because some points on the source mesh are matched to wrong or inaccurate positions on the target model. For example, the points in this area. So we want to update the template to match these points to the correct positions. We can update it in two ways. One way is firstly, using the template to matching the source mesh to the target model. Then manually link some points in the area to correct positions. Then select the remaining area which we do not want to change. Then go here and link all selected points automatically, and then do point and face matching. As the merging will change topology, we must select NO. Then we do the point and face matching using the new linked points. After the mathsing, we create a new template. This one is an update of this one. Let's click Finish. Another way to update the template is using another source mesh, such as a common source mesh, which is used as a template. Let's clear this scene and load another source mesh. Now we want to use this one to update the Deformer template. To do this, let's still go to this one and merge it first. Then click this button. Then click this button. This time we do not import link points, instead we import the Deformer template. We want to update. Let's open it. Now you see when we import the template. In this way, we actually use the Deformer template to automatically create linked point pairs. Link point pair for each point on the source mesh. Now you can find that the Deformer template actually stores the point correspondence information. This is why we can use it to do fast matching. Let's check the point correspondences to see if there are any source points linked to wrong positions. Suppose these points are not linked to correct positions. Now let's clear all linked points. And change shading to solid. Then we manually link some points here, such as this one. We want to match here. This one we want to match here. This one we want to match here. This one we want to match here. Then we need to keep others unchanged because we are satisfied with them. Then go to this Modia and select the area we want to update the point correspondences. Let's import the Deformer template back again. To create linked points on unselected areas only, click this one, click Deform Template. Still this one. Now we get it. Dialog to select a region to add corresponding points. Because we have selected some regions, we get this dialog to ask for a selection. The default one is all. If we select all, we will create link points on all source points. Now we have manually created link points in the selected region. So we just want to use the Deformer template to create points on not selected areas. So click this. Use the Deformer template to create link points for only the points not unselected. For the selected region, the tool keep using the linked points manually created. Then we can do point and face matching again using these linked points, and after the matching we create a new Deformer template, which is the updated version we want. This updated template can match all source points to correct positions on the target model. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you.